picking up from where we left off, we created the login mechanism. So now we're going to start working on the admin index page. First and foremost, we want to check to see if the session is set to allow the user to allow anybody to view this page. So we'll check to see if it's so first we'll do an if statement. If is not set session user ID, okay, and what this would do is what it's pretty much doing is saying, look, all right, if the session user ID is not set, which can only be set from our login page, we're going to kick the person to the login page. Okay, and then we exit the script or the page. Okay, now we want to include our database connection. So that's an includes folder, db connect.php. Okay, so while we have that done for now, let's go ahead and create some navigation. I've already went ahead and made the styles for this right here. So let's go ahead and do this. Div ID of menu. Okay. We need an unordered list. List items of 5 with 5 anchor tags. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so first thing would be home. Second, create new post. That doesn't look right. Okay, I need one for delete. Login. I mean, log out. And this last one will just take us to the blog homepage. Okay. Now we're going to make another area. Excuse me. Okay, now we're going to make another area to display some of the information from our blog. So I'm just going to call this main content. Okay, so we're going to have a table that would just display the amount of posts we have and the amount of comments we have for our blog. I'm not going to make it too in depth, like, you know, the amount of views or how many comments per post. But this would just do just fine. So this row will be for the total posts we've made. And right here, we're going to echo out post count. We haven't set this variable yet, but I'm just go ahead and put it in there for now. We'll set it up in just 1 second. Okay. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing for the total comments. Okay. And we're going to echo out comment. Oh. Count. Okay. Alright, so let's go back to the top of our page and let's get the count for the amount of blog posts. So post record count. Okay, so post count will equal db query select everything from post. Okay, now for the comment count, we'll pretty much do the same thing, just okay. Now we have to go back down here and actually go into the post count and do num rows. Do that for each of them. Okay, let's save that. Let's go ahead and hit into Firefox. Go to the page. Okay. Well, it worked for the total comments. Let's see why it didn't work for total blog posts. Okay, let's see if that fixed anything. Nope. From post count. Oh, forgot to hit echo. Save that. Okay. Alright, so that's what all we need for right now for the main admin index page. Let's go ahead and create the logout page. So create new PHP. We need session start at the top. Destroy. I think it's session destroy. Always get these confused. Okay. And then after that, header. Location. Okay, let's go ahead and just send it back to the login for the time being. We can always change that later. And exit out. Save that as Logout.php. Here's update that link. Okay. Refresh that. Okay, so see that worked. So if I try to go to the main index page, it won't let me. Log back in. Everything's copacetic. Okay. Alright, so that's enough for this part. In this next part, we're going to go ahead and create new post section, and then we'll start working on the main index page for displaying the post. Okay, so see you next time.